Everybody's a trader. What? Why? Well, because everything in life is a trade. When you go to work, you trade time for money. You get hungry, you trade money for food. You travel, you trade here for there. You get married, you trade being single for being married. When you have a conversation, you trade words, thoughts, and feelings and emotions. Everything in life is a trade. So guess what? You're already trading, you veteran trader, you. The only problem is, if you're like most people, you haven't figured out how to get paid for it yet. But the US stock market is one place where you can get paid for the trading that you do. But most people are terrified of it. They think it's too complicated, too scary, or too risky. I know, because I used to be one of those people. Until one day, my father-in-law, a veteran trader, showed me a simple system for trading in the US stock market. He also showed me a free tool I could use to protect my money while trading, one thing I could buy that had consistently outperformed most financial advisors for years past, and then he showed me 4 things I needed to master to become a successful stock trader and unlock the potential to get paid for trading. My life has never been the same since, and now I want to invite you to learn all those same things that my father-in-law taught me. If you're anything like I was, then you know that trading is everywhere you look. But some people have figured out how to get paid for it, and they know something you don't. I want to help you unlock the stock market. Attend the upcoming 5-day Unlock the Stock Market Challenge and learn what it takes to get paid to trade. I'll be teaching you myself with the help of my friend and veteran trader, Blair Nightingale. We can't wait to help you unlock the stock market.